In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best infrared thermal imagers available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the infrared thermal imagers list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the infrared thermal imagers mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, ABF RX 450 Thermal Camera for Android Phones. The ABF RX 450 serves as a versatile substitute to the InfiRay P2, offering thermal imaging capabilities for Android phones with a Type-C interface. Ideal for various applications, this thermal camera allows users to experience infrared night vision on their smartphones. Its compatibility with Android devices makes it a convenient and accessible tool for those seeking thermal imaging solutions on the go. Whether used for industrial purposes or personal needs, the ABF RX 450 provides a cost-effective and efficient thermal imaging experience for Android users. Number 4, HT18 Plus 2023 Thermal Imaging Camera. Introducing the HT18 Plus 2023, a cutting-edge thermal imaging camera designed for detecting water pipe leaks and power electrical issues. With a resolution of 256 by 192 pixels, this handheld infrared thermal imager offers high-quality imaging for precise diagnostics. The device is equipped to handle various applications, making it a valuable tool for professionals in plumbing and electrical industries. Its advanced features and portability make the HT18 Plus 2023 an essential gadget for anyone involved in identifying thermal anomalies in water pipes and electrical systems. Number 3, InfiRay P2 Pro Thermal Camera for Phones. The InfiRay P2 Pro stands out as a thermal camera tailored for phone integration, specifically designed for infrared thermal imaging. It finds its niche in applications such as PCB circuit repair, industrial heating tests, and night vision scenarios. With its compact design and compatibility with phones, the InfiRay P2 Pro offers a versatile solution for professionals and enthusiasts seeking efficient thermal imaging capabilities on the go. Its focus on industrial applications and repair tasks makes it a reliable tool for those requiring precise thermal analysis in various settings. Number 2, Victor VC328B/ a mobile thermal imager for Android phones. The Victor VC328B/ a mobile thermal imager caters to Android phone users, providing an IP65 rated device suitable for industrial, fault detection, and PCB inspection purposes. Its features include heat loss detection through infrared imaging, making it a valuable tool for professionals in diverse fields. The device's rugged design ensures durability in challenging environments, and its compatibility with Android phones enhances its accessibility and usability. The Victor VC328B/A is a reliable choice for those requiring a robust thermal imaging solution for industrial inspections and fault detection tasks. Number 1, MILESEEY TR256E/B Thermal Imager for Repair and Detection. Topping the list is the MILESEEY TR256E/B Thermal Imager, offering a resolution of 256 by 192 pixels for precise thermal imaging in repair, PCB diagnostics, and pipeline detection. This infrared temperature meter provides a comprehensive solution for professionals requiring accurate thermal analysis. Whether used in circuit repair or pipeline inspections, the TR256E/B ensures reliable and detailed thermal imaging. Its versatility and high resolution make it an indispensable tool for professionals seeking top-notch thermal imaging capabilities in a compact and user-friendly device.